Say hi from Cherish Math. Today we are going to deal with a question given here with two different variables, x and y, and two different equations. So the equations here are on the left and on the right. The first step to deal with this is by using the rule of indices and followed by simultaneous equation. Now, 5 to the power of x is equal to 125 to the power of y minus 3. We have to change the value of 125 to 5 to the power of 3. 5 to the power of 3 is in fact is the same as 125. So on top of that, we have another power which is y minus 3 on top of it. We are going to use this rule. 5 to the power of m multiplied with the power of n is in fact, we have to solve it by using the power multiplication itself. And it turns 5 to the power of x is in fact 5 to the power of 3 times y, you get 3y. 3 times negative 3, you get negative 9. So, since the index number is the same, we just have to pick up the power itself. Equate it directly. X is equal to 3y minus 9. And this is known as the first equation of our solution. For the second part of the solution, we're going to pick up this equation. 81 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 9 to the power of y multiplied by 3. And 3 here is in fact to the power of 1. What is the value of 81 in the form of power? That turns 3 to the power of 4 is in fact same as 81. And on top of that, x plus 1 is the power. 9 is a result of 3 squared. So on top of that, there's still another power, which is y multiplied by 3 to the power of 1. Now, we have to multiply the power itself. 3, 4 times x, we get 4x. 4 times 1, we get 4. And over here, 3 to the power of 2 times y, we got 2y. And we have to add up with the 1 here because the index of these two are the same. We are using this rule. 3 to the power of a multiplied by 3 to the power of b is in fact 3 to the power of a plus b. So 2y, we have to add up with a 1. This is known as our second equation. There's one more step to go. We need to pick up the power, which is 4x plus 4 equal to the power here 2y plus 1. And this is supposed to be the second equation. Now, we need to solve the simultaneous equation between the equation 1 and equation 2. Here is our trick of the substitution. We're going to substitute the equation 1 into equation 2. So 4, the value of x here is 3y minus 9. 3y minus 9 plus the 4 into it, and that is the same as for this 2y plus 1. We are trying to expand this part and add up the 4. That would be 4 times 3y is 12y. 4 times negative 9 is actually negative 36 plus the 4 that turns negative 32 and the same as 2y plus 1. So the final step, 12y minus the 2y is 10y. 1 plus 32 is 33. So the value of the y that we got here is actually 33 divided by 10 is in fact 3.3. In order to find the value of the x, we need to substitute the value of the y into the equation 1, which is here. So the value of the x is in fact 3. The y here is actually 3.3 minus 9. So the value of x here is actually 3.3 multiplied by 3. I get 9.9 minus 9. And the value of x is 0.9. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.